see where we're at right now. Hello again. Yes, ma'am. Pila manok?
35.
35 both? 35?
25.
25. Is this neck?
No, neck.
Okay. What's up?
Gutsi.
Gusi?
Parang ano yung isaw.
Isaw, yeah.
Hindi pa ako marunong ng Tagalog. Mag-English.
So we got some fried chicken, some fried pork fat, I think, some chicken skin, and some pastillo. It's like rice with chicken, shredded chicken on top. We got some spicy sauce. All right, let's try some of the food. We got the pork fat. It's like fatty bacon that you deep fried. Let's get some of the hot sauce on it. Very crispy. Feels awkward filming on the side of the street. That's why I can't set up my tripod. It's good though. The pastillo is like rice with like barbecue chicken on the top. Super crispy. She called this goosey. I don't know what that is. It's like stomach, I guess. It looks like stomach. Maybe it's a different kind of stomach. I don't know. Anyway, let's see where we're at right now. Ayo. Ayo, ayo. Hi. Is this open?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I do the banana con yellow, the 69 peso?
Okay. Only one, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ate, pa-order ka na lang. Ilan sa'yo? Dalawa? Apo, sa dalawa. Apat na ano? Apat. Anim.
Halo-halo na.
Opo, ubi keso.
Pagkiki sa lahat.
Thank you.
Ilan sa inyo? Isa.
Thank you so much, sir.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bento box. Tea.
Oti. Saan na kaya? Kilapan na. Nasa.
Wow. Well, let's see when the battery dies. We got 4% left. We got some halo we're gonna try. It's yellow. I think it's got corn. Ooh. Wow. It's like caramel and banana. Honestly, it's really good. It's definitely caramel and banana. No ube in this one, but the ube one had cheese. I didn't want cheese. You want some buko juice, bro?